Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Camila and today I'm going to talk about New Zealand. Geographical location. It is a sovereign island country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. Geographically, it is composed by two main land masses and around 600 smaller islands. The first island is the North Island that is called Te Maui, and the second one is the South Island. But according to Maori mythology, the North and the South Islands of New Zealand arose through the action of the demigod Maui. Maui and his brother were fishing from their canoe. The canoe is the South Island. And he caught a great fish and pulled it from the sea. The great fish became the North Island. That's why it is called Te Maui, that it means the fish of Maui. People in New Zealand. They could call Kiwi as an informal way, New Zealanders, Europeans, or Maoris. Europeans because New Zealand is a part of the Great Britain. The population in New Zealand is 4,914,510 people. The principal festivals in New Zealand are the Pacific Cultural Festival, the Parihaka Peace Festival, and the Auckland Lantern Festival. The Parihaka Peace Festival is held at the historic Parihaka Pa each year. The festival includes a range of top Kiwi music performances. The Pacifica Festival is a fantastic weekend celebrating the music, food, art, and dance of the New Zealand Pacific Island communities. This cultural festival is for the Maoris. And the next one is the Auckland Lantern Festival. This is one of the city's most popular events. Each year, Albert Park is lit up with a series of spectacular lanterns with delicious Chinese food. Folklore and typical food in New Zealand. They believe in a lot of things. They believe in gods and in fairy things. For example, Kaui Tipua. Kaui Tipua were a band of ogres, the first inhabitants of New Zealand's South Islands. And the next one, Pakea. Those are little fairy people. Typical food. They eat the hangi. Hangi is meat with vegetables. It is cooked only for important dates or celebrations. And hafas. Hafas are small sugar-coated chocolate balls with an orange flavor to them. Currency and education system. New Zealand dollar is the currency, and in Colombian pesos is 2,300. The education system reflects the unique and diverse society which welcomes different abilities, religious beliefs, ethnic groups, income levels, and ideas about teaching and learning. In New Zealand, the education is free, but in the university you have to pay only the 10% of your career. They have an amazing curriculum. And the best thing about New Zealand. New Zealand has the best team, the best rugby team. It is called All Blacks. The All Blacks is the best team in the world about rugby. When they have every match, they start with a haka. Haka is a song, and they sing and they dance something that protect them in a war. That was in the past, but they continue using it every match, every rugby match. The best player was this one that is called Mo'oa. He was the best player in New Zealand. That was everything for New Zealand. Thank you very much and have a good day.